Hello again. Things are very different compared to a week ago. It's an awful lot milder out there, and that will continue through the weekend. It's also pretty blustery, and there's quite a bit of wet weather around across some parts of the UK, mostly in the west, and that's where we have Met Office yellow warnings in place across parts of Wales, southwest England, and across parts of Scotland. That rain is going to be persistent and could cause some issues. Big swirl of cloud on the satellite image, and it's this line of cloud that's moving in but kind of grinding to a halt. Not much rain getting to the east. It's always in these western areas, and especially over the hills of parts of South Wales and southwest England, where that rain will be particularly heavy and persistent. Also notice the southern uplands, whereas through the central belt of Scotland, probably not much rain at all. Largely dry for Glasgow and Edinburgh. Largely dry too across eastern England and northern Scotland. Some brightness likely here. We've got a strong southerly wind blowing, making it feel pretty bleak if you're stuck under the rain band, but it is bringing mild air, so the thermometer's reading 9, 10, 11 degrees in most places. Through Friday evening, and that wet weather will slowly start to ease across Scotland. Further heavy downpours until around midnight, but after midnight it does become drier. But across Wales and southwest England, notice further pulses of rain just keep on coming through the night and into Saturday morning. Largely dry and clear across East Anglia and the southeast, and clearer skies across northern Scotland. Temperatures here could drop down well into single figures, but generally it is going to be a very mild night, with towns and cities across the south staying at 9 or 10 Celsius. It will be a mild weekend. It's certainly a lot milder than last weekend. Those southerly winds keeping things mild, but also continuing to feed the moisture into South Wales and southwest England. Further heavy rain. That warning remains in place here into Sunday. The rain will also then in the afternoon return to parts of southern Scotland. Again, probably not much through the central belt, with parts of the Highlands and the Grampians as it turns wetter by the end of Saturday. Further rain to come for Northern Ireland too, but again, parts of eastern England not seeing much rain at all, and some sunshine is possible at times. All the while, that southerly winds keeping things very mild. Again, widely double digits, and some places creeping into the teens on Saturday. We might get up to 14 or even 15 across the southeast if we see some decent spells of sunshine. So it is going to be very mild, but obviously not feeling very mild as that wet weather continues across parts of western Scotland, Wales, and western parts of England in particular. A lot of spray, a lot of surface water on the roads, and that rain drains down from the mountains. It could cause some flooding issues. We've got snow melt as an extra complication in parts of Scotland, so it all adds up to the potential for some disruption through this weekend. As for Sunday, well, certainly western areas, thankfully it does look a lot drier. There'll still be some patchy rain across parts of the south. Still windy in the far north, but generally less windy on Sunday. And again, it is going to be mild. For the details of those weather warnings, make sure you stay up to date with the very latest. The best way to do that is to follow us on social media. Of course, those warnings, you can see those on our app and on our website.